Hello everyone, welcome back to my चैनल। आई होप यू गाइज आर डूइंग वेल। जैसे कि मैंने बोला था अपने लास्ट वीडियो में कि मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको गैप इंश्योरेंस के बारे में बताऊंगा। तो ये वीडियो उसी के ऊपर है कि गैप इंश्योरेंस कैसे वर्क करता है और कहाँ से आप बाय कर सकते हो और ये आपको बाय करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए। If you ever went to dealership or for buying a new car or like with your friend or for yourself, you have probably heard about the gap insurance. But what exactly does it cover, and it is worth it or not? That's what I am gonna say in this video. So let's start with the basics. Of course, I have to get the information from the internet and make notes about what should I tell. So I am just showing that. So the gap insurance, it's like the for your asset protection. It's optional, like it's not mandatory to have a gap insurance with your car. Uh, but when you buy a car and you do loan or finance or lease the car, so when the time pass the car value go down, and if the car is stolen or written off, it goes to the total loss, then the gap insurance really needed. So, in fact, a new vehicle can depreciate by around 50 to 20% in the 1 year. So, only insurance only pay the amount of the car, but not the amount of the loan, and the gap between the amount of the car and the total loan payable. So, that's why the gap insurance you need to have in Canada. It covers the gap between the depreciated value and amount you still owe to the loaner, like bank, if you have bank loan or any showroom in-house financing. The gap covers that. As an example, you get a car for which worth around $40,000. Or later, like if you have the car is stolen or the accident happened, and at that time the car is not repairable and the market value of the car is only 30,000, but you still have loan of 36,000 because of interest and everything. So your insurance company will pay only 30,000. The remaining 6,000, if you do not have gap insurance, you have to pay it by your own money. And if you have a gap insurance, they would cover 6,000 and you do not have to spend from your pocket. Like from where you can get the gap insurance, there is three different locations, not the organizations you can get. First, the dealership, you can ask the dealership. They can get the gap insurance from the same company they are getting your finances for your car, like loan car. And uh, uh, along with that, you can get a gap insurance with the bank or lenders. And after that, the third, auto insurance companies also provide gap insurance. But I would suggest go with the dealership and take the gap insurance with same as your finance company, so it will be easy to manage. It required like little bit of payment, not that much higher, so you do not need to worry about the payment as well, but yeah, it is useful. So like if I say about if it's a 40,000 car SUV, the gap insurance is around 500 to 700 one time at the dealership, or if it can divide it by per month as well within your EMI of the car. So before buying the gap insurance, always read the printout they every time they give for your sign, and it will mention like what gonna cover if you gonna use this. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more this kind of tips, and also do not forget to turn it on notification button, and also share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Sorry, I forgot to mention one more thing. If you are located in Berry and you want to buy a Hyundai car, there is a one reference. I will mention his Insta ID in my video. So check out his post. He is a salesperson at the Baytown Hyundai, located at Mapleview Drive West, and his name is Joyce Sharma. This is not the promotion of the any dealership or any persons. He is just my good friend, so I just mention his Insta ID here. This is final. Bye bye guys.